Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming Wallpaper Engine is installed and allowed to control the lock screen. This is essential. Open Wallpaper Engine, sign into Steam if needed, and enable Workshop Sync. Once done, grant lock screen permissions in Windows settings or your OS equivalent so the app can apply images. You should also choose a compatible wallpaper. 16, 9 for desktop, 9, 16 for portrait phones, or a dynamic workshop item. Now, move on to loading that selection into the app interface. You now load and configure the wallpaper. Go to Browse, then My Wallpapers or Workshop, pick the file or item. Once selected, click Configure and locate the Apply to Lock Screen toggle, turn it on. Make sure to set playback options and performance, frame cap, GPU usage, and resolution scaling. These affect battery and smoothness. You should preview in the configuration panel to confirm composition and positioning. After tweaking, save the profile so the lock screen receives the exact settings you want. You finish by applying changes and immediately testing. Lock the screen to confirm the wallpaper appears and performs as expected. If it does not, make sure Wallpaper Engine has lock screen permission and its background service is running. Also check GPU drivers and power settings, since performance limits can block dynamic wallpapers. If problems persist, restart the app or the system, clear the app cache, or re-download the workshop item. That one troubleshooting step, verify permissions and services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.